And our from lessons we have one for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 31 in verse 12 up to verse 18. The law, okay. Moses told the Israelites that the Lord had said, the Sabbath belongs to me. Now I command you and your descendant to always obey the law of the Sabbath. By doing this, you will know that I have chosen you as my own. Keep the Sabbath holy. You have 6 days to do your work, but the Sabbath is mine, and it must remain a day of rest. If you work on the Sabbath, you will no longer be part of my people, and you will be put to death. Every generation of Israelites must respect the Sabbath. This day will always serve as a reminder, both to me and to the Israelites, that I made the heaven and the earth in 6 days. Then on the 7th day, I rested and relaxed. When God had finished speaking to Moses on Mount Sinai, he gave him the 2 flat stones on which he had written all his laws with his own hand. So this passage is about the ordinance pertaining to Sabbath. So some people said that Sabbath is Saturday, and other people said that Sabbath is Sunday. But I believe regardless whether it's Saturday or Sunday, God is after our obedience. Okay? So let us be clear that yes, we can serve God on a daily basis. In 6 days, we can serve Him. But that Sabbath is, the what we call congregational service or congregational worship. So, as a congregation, or during the time of Moses, as the whole nation of Israel, they serve God. So, it's a gathering of all believers, of all disciples, in serving and worshiping God. So that is Sabbath. And guess what? Jesus himself told us that He is the Lord of the Sabbath.